The main thing was the mentorship, the guidance. They were just pushing me up. They were calling me. From this, I was addicted to the consistency of the course. I wanted to pursue computer science because I had developed my interest in computer science since class 10th only. During my campus placements, recession hit the world and hiring was stopped. So this thing was also making me very disheartening. Then I found about Newton School. I talked with the counselor, got to know about their reliability. One of our senior was an alumni of Newton School and he got placed in very better company. That made me very relied on it. The main thing was the mentorship, the guidance, and their course material. Regularly, they were just in contact with me. They were just pushing me up. They were calling me, writing me mails. Why didn't you do well? You have to increase your efforts. From this, I was addicted to the consistency of the course. They have their AI powered soft skills learning management. You can perform some tasks, play some games, and chit chat with a AI bot, and you can just train yourself with the soft skills. If I talk about my mock interviews, then I appeared for more than 15 to 20 mock interviews. I'm being very honest that the mock interviews was very tough and it was totally designed just to uplift you during your main interview. I was given a total analytic sheet after that. How did I perform? This was not only a mock interview but a total training of yourself, that how could you acquire your dream company. After hard work of 6 to 7 months, I almost cleared 5 to 6 companies in Newton School, and I chose one which I am currently serving now. We all know that data science and analytics, it's a ever evolving landscape. With proper training and study, you can easily get the knowledge of it, and you can easily practice it on hands. Not only be consistent with your training during the Newton School, but also be consistent with your performance.